What's up everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we are at Royalty Exotics for their second car meet that they're having, that they do on Sundays. Started at 5 o'clock. Quite a few different cars here. Dee is here as well. We got Damon with his supercharged Lamborghini over here. We also have Alex Choi, and should be a good time. Maybe I'll even get a chance to go for a ride in the tire sleigh.
Hey, what's going on, man?
What's up, Redwood? Good to see you.
Good, how you been?
Excellent. Killed it, bro.
Is that cool?
That was awesome, dude.
Yeah, something that's, you know, controlled and not just mayhem.
Right.
Send it! I would be so
All right, now we're gonna go for a quick ride in the Tire Slayer. We're gonna get a little ride in the DDE Supercharged Huracan. We got Damon right here from DDE.
Yo, yo, what up, guys?
Dude, this car is freaking sick, man.
It's fun.
So damn loud.
It's loud.
Okay.
Just kind of respect that for us.
Okay, cool, man. Sorry about that, man. I apologize. No worries, man. Oh, thanks, man.
Well, that's about it for today's video. Hope you all enjoyed it. If you do, please give it a thumbs up. If you're checking in for the first time, please subscribe, and I will catch you in the next video.